Study well first. Secondly, listen when you go to sleep. Remember all words correctly day by day. Abandon. Abandon. Meaning of word. Leave someone or something. Leave someone or something. Example sentences. This house was abandoned many years ago. This house was abandoned many years ago. Abandoned. Abandoned. Meaning of word. Left. Left. Example sentences. An abandoned baby was found in a box on the hospital step. An abandoned baby was found in a box on the hospital step. Abashed. Abashed. Meaning of word. Embarrassed or ashamed. Embarrassed or ashamed. Example sentences. He said nothing but looked abashed. He said nothing but looked abashed. Abate. Abate. Meaning of word. Become less strong. Become less strong. Example sentences. The storm has started to abate. The storm has started to abate. Abbreviate. Abbreviate. Meaning of word. Make something shorter. Make something shorter. Example sentences. January is often abbreviated to Jan. January is often abbreviated to Jan. Abbreviated. Abbreviated. Meaning of word. Shorten. Shorten. Example sentences. HNB is the abbreviated form of Hatton National Bank. HNB is the abbreviated form of Hatton National Bank. Abbreviation. Abbreviation. Meaning of word. A short form of a word of praise. A short form of a word of praise. Example sentences. What does the abbreviation WTF stand for? What does the abbreviation WTF stand for? Abduct. Abduct. Meaning of word. Take someone away by force. Take someone away by force. Example sentences. She claims that she was abducted by aliens. She claims that she was abducted by aliens. Ability. Ability. Meaning of word. The power or skill to do something. The power or skill to do something. Example sentences. I admire his ability to stay calm under pressure. I admire his ability to stay calm under pressure. Abject. Abject. Meaning of word. Extremely bad. Extremely bad. Example sentences. They live in abject poverty. They live in abject poverty.